Let me ask you a very simple question today. So, you scroll Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok every day, right? Now, imagine this: what if every click you generate could actually make you real money? And no, I'm not talking about selling courses or running a useless business ads or something. Just one simple task in SmartLink. In today's video, I'll show you how you can monetize your social media traffic using Monetag SmartLink step by step in the easiest way possible. And yes, even if you are just starting out, this works. This actually works. So let's start with a very simple and very basic question as usual, that what do you understand by a money tag? So money tag is nothing but, so first of all, what exactly money tag is? So money tag is a global ad network that help creators and publishers earn money from their traffic, and it works with social media platforms, websites, blogs, and even landing pages, also even paid ad traffic as well. But today we are focusing on one powerful feature, smart link, also called direct link. This is basically a smart URL that automatically sends users to ads that match their location and device. So you don't need to choose ads manually, and MoneyTech does it for you. Okay. So let's start with a simple demonstration, or we will look the demonstration just after that. So why MoneyTech SmartLink? I mean, why specifically MoneyTech SmartLink? Let me tell you. Wait. Okay. So now you might be thinking that why only MoneyTag? So there are many platforms out there, but here's why MoneyTag is trusted by so many creators. It is established platform with years of experience and thousands of global advertisers, strong CPM rates, cost per minute, worldwide traffic support, which actually any geolocation works, very low payout threshold. I mean, just $5. That's it. And active support system is also there. So whether your audience is from India, from US, or anywhere else in the whole world, you can monetize it. Okay, let's start with a simple registration and simple quick demo. So these process could be easier for you. So let's start it with a simple registration. So you are landing in a MoneyTag page. This is the MoneyTag website. I'm so sorry. So moneytag.com is the official website. I am over here and I'll click on the sign up. I'll follow the simple steps over here, even though I can sign up with Google as well directly, and even though we can create directly with our email. We will click in all the details, we will submit all the details, and ID verification may be required or maybe not. And if you're from a company, then even you can register with the company as well. So I have already registered multiple times, and so I will directly log in just like this. So after login, you will see this particular dashboard, and even though I'll make you walk through that. This is the direct link basically. Okay, never mind. Maybe my voice was not clear at that time, but I will make sure for that. So this is the main section. Okay, so here you can generate your smart link, also called direct link. So just create one, copy it, and this becomes your earning tool for lifetime. So let's start with the simple statistics. So this tab shows you performance. I mean CPM, earnings, impressions, traffic insights. You can analyze what's working and improve your strategy. For example, there are different domains also from which you are getting your money: on click, display ads, telegram ads, selector format, and there is also a date range where you can customize it according to your need. If, for example, if you are running ads from last 7 days, so you can adjust the date range from this day to that day, and you will get all the details regarding that with the help of zone, country, OS, ad format, sites, etc. Even though you can export it to CSV directly. So this is the very beneficial option according to me. Okay. So the next tab is payment tab. So let's get to the payment tab basically. Okay, before payment tab, I'll tell you how do you actually make money using SmartLink? I mean, this is the real question. So, I'll tell you later with this thing. So, let's start with the simple website option. So, there is your website. For an example, I have checked before, www.google.com. Okay, so as you can see, you can also monetize your website directly over here. Just like, even though if you redirect to the payment option, so here you can see, to enable withdrawals you have to set a payment option, and there is a lot of payment options out there hella lot of options out there. Even though you have PayPal, Skrill, WebMoney, Pioneer, via online banking, via Revolut. So basically, my favorite is Pioneer. I mean, Pioneer requires a very next level of KYC, but whenever you will pass your KYC, so your money will be safe for the very lifetime. So I am personally using Pioneer, and that is my favorite also, and it requires very less fees as well. Okay, so let me tell you the referral program also over here. So with the help of referral program, you can basically, this is very underrated by the way. So you get a referral link, and if somebody joins is using your link, you earn 5% of their lifetime income. For an example, I have referred you. You are watching this video and you earn money with the help of Moneytag. I have referred you 2 or 3 or X years ago, so I am earning money from that day till now. Even though you are earning, I am also earning money with the help of this referral program. Even though if you are sending your referral program and you are adding 10 people or 20 people, so you will get 1 to 2 profit for sure. Okay, so the main part, the core part of this video basically. So how to use SmartLink. So now the real question, how do you actually use this link? So there is a multiple option. The first option is blog website method. ठीक है? Okay, we click on this direct link tab. Okay, the first one is create a simple article like top AI tools that you must try in 2026. Then add a button like discover more tools and attach your smart link to that button. When users click, you earn. So basically, let's for an example, we have Dave community where you write blogs over here. So you will try to post something, I mean, for an example, XYZ, and click for more, click for more, and you will paste. You create a direct link over here by clicking on this add direct link button, and you got a direct link over here just with the help of the date range. Today is 21st, so this is our latest link. We'll copy this link and we'll paste this link over here. Kudos, that is the simplest thing. Your blog, 500 people watches, 20 will click on this link, and with the help of that 20% you generate your income. This is as simple as that. Okay, so option 2 is social media method. Post something, even though on LinkedIn or Instagram or TikTok or whatever platform it is, 5 crazy websites you should visit today. Then add your link, or even better, redirect them to an article where your smart link is placed. This works really well for engagement. Even though your post engagement enhance as hell, and even though you earn money with the help of this smart link, with a simple smart link, that is really cool. So let me simplify it. Whenever user clicks your smart link, they get redirect to the relevant ads. You earn money, they watch ads, that's it. No product, no inventory, no customer handling, no middlewares, nothing in between, no taxes, just simple copy paste earn money. That's it. So I had told you everything about this. So before going to end this video, there is a quick tip also. Always use genuine traffic. Don't try shortcuts or fake clicks. It won't work long term. Even though if you try to click on this particular link again and again, that actually tracks. Moneytech tracks everything, and even though your IP address as well, if you're watching that particular thing with the same IP address again and again, you may be blocked or something like that. But don't get stressed. I mean, this won't very work for long term. Don't try shortcuts or fake links, as I said before. And remember, in this video, we are only focusing on smart link, not other ad formats. So we will cover these different ad formats in later video, but this direct link is a magical link, trust me. And if you are already posting content online, you are literally sitting on an incoming opportunity. Moneytech SmartLink is one of the easiest ways to start earning today. Start earning money today. Check the link in the description, sign up, start testing. And if you found this useful, comment SmartLink below, and I'll you are ready to take action. I know you are ready to take action. See you in the next video. Till then, thank you so much. Okay, let's end.